Hey everyone, what's happening? Claudio here, and let me tell you what happened. This weekend I recorded my original episode that was supposed to air instead of this one, and something happened which I will share with you after this. Have you ever forgotten to turn something on or to set something, maybe record an episode of your favorite TV show and then come to find out later, no, it's not there? Well, that's kind of how I felt as I was in the process of editing the video that I recorded several days ago that originally was supposed to be here in this spot instead of this video. I was editing the video, and as I got towards a certain section, I was syncing up my audio with my video. I record my audio separately from the camera and then sync it up later. And the last 10 minutes of my video, the audio just stopped. I looked at all my files and come to find out that my recorder, the battery just died, just completely died. I lost the last 10 minutes of audio. So basically I'm going to re-record it. I'm not gonna worry too much about it at this point. So I thought, why not share something with you so that you don't have to make the mistake that I made, and that is to check your gear that it's fully powered. Normally I do that. My camera's powered. I have backup batteries. My monitor here that I use to look at myself to make sure that I'm looking at the camera, I have it connected to an outlet. Now the recorder itself is battery powered, and I think what I'm going to do is, after I record this video, is to order an AC adapter for that so it's always powered, especially when I'm here at home, and then worry about the batteries when I'm remote. So for this episode really is just sharing my learning so that you can learn from my mistake. Check all your gear, make sure it's all powered, find alternative ways to keep your equipment powered up so that you don't lose any of the content. So the moral of today's video story is learn from your mistakes and just move on. Don't dwell on them too much, because you know what? Tomorrow's another day and it'll be better. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, I hope my next one you will. And please do subscribe and share with others. Thanks so much. We'll see you later. Peace out.